To create a PostgreSQL database with Prisma, you need to set up a PostgreSQL database and configure Prisma to interact with it. Here's how to do it. Set up PostgreSQL database. First, ensure PostgreSQL is installed and running on your local machine or a cloud service. Create a PostgreSQL database. You can do this using the PostgreSQL command line. Replace My Database with your preferred database name. Install Prisma. In your Node.js project, install Prisma and the PostgreSQL client. Initialize Prisma. Run the following command to initialize Prisma. This will create a Prisma folder and the schema.prisma file. Configure PostgreSQL connection in Prisma. In the schema.prisma file, set up the data source block to connect to your PostgreSQL database. In the env file, add the PostgreSQL connection URL. Generate Prisma client. Run the following command to generate Prisma client. Use Prisma to interact with database. Now, you can use Prisma client in your code to interact with the PostgreSQL database, like so.